Hey guys, GKD here. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. Hope everybody had a great Christmas and a great New Year. Even had a great Thanksgiving. It's 2024 now. Got some gloves. It's cold as crap. But luckily nobody's out here today. It's been a rough little while. Sorry it's took a minute. My computer just crashed, and then I ordered parts and then they didn't work. So it's been a lot of back and forth with Amazon. Amazon Electronics just hadn't been working out good. But anyway, back out at a local field. Since nobody's here, it rained a lot last night, all through the night and this morning. So there's really nobody here, and kids are still in school. I'm gonna go try and maybe hit the volleyball court real quick while there's nobody here, and then just kind of work my way wherever I end up. Lord guide me to the good stuff. So happy New Year, everyone. Let's get going. See you at the first hole, or maybe at the sand. All right, guys, there wasn't shit at the volleyball court. It's kind of new, but I mean, it wasn't finding nothing. I tried beach, dry. Nothing. I mean, nothing. Let's wait for some loud screamers. See, another thing that keeps metal detecting fun was when I wasn't trying to put in an application, I actually started learning how to use the tone brakes for 6. I got them looking something like this. And then I played around with the sounds and all that. So it makes it fun to get out here and try stuff. I tweaked it. I'm on M3 because it has been raining. I don't know if I should be in M1, 2, or 3, honestly. It's still one thing that... Whew. Let's go. All right, we're getting a 20 pull tab, maybe. Solid 20. All right, let's see what it is. I'm gonna have to tighten my belt. Oh yeah, it's wet. I need knee pads now, Lord. Yeah. Is it still in the hole? What? Oh. Yeah. All right. Looks like it's out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tighten my belt. Hiya. I got my Jedi Force weapon with me. the Nokta Accupoint. Oh goodness. Bottle cap, I mean a pull tab, can slaw. All right, first trash of the day. On to the next. Yeah. Hey, the sun's out. All right, I hope y'all can hear the winds picking up. Took a couple of steps. Just see if this can find it. Probably not. See, here we go with the beeping again, Nokta. Nope, not gonna find it. All right. Damn, man. All right. Let's see what we find. There's a few bars deep. Oh, don't be breaking up. Yeah, don't break. Where's that? Might be something. All right, come on, Accupoint, don't let me down. Oh, my knee. Oh, Lord, that hurts. Alright. Man, this wind. Let's see if we can, just in case. Always straight down, huh? It does feel like there's something down there.
Alright. There's something down there. I bet you it's a whole can. Yeah, I can kind of feel it. Oh, don't break my knife. That would cut this short pretty quick. Yep, I think I can see it. It's like a full can. That's why it was ringing up so good. Yeah. Yep, I can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but here it comes. I hope. Yep. So yeah. Whew. Can't get away from these things. Sprite, it looks like. Is that it? And there's probably the rest of it down there. See if we can get it real quick. I think I'm on it. Oh, come on. Come on out. It's okay. Just gonna put you in the trash where you belong. Golly, you don't want to come out. Yeah, this is why you wear gloves anyway, boys and girls. I didn't want to be grabbing that can. Yep, there it is. Come to daddy. Come to Game Killer Daddy. That's what GKD stands for, if y'all didn't know, from my other channel. If y'all didn't watch the first video, which I highly recommend you don't, because it kind of sucks. It was my first day. Yep. There's the rest, or more of it. Hopefully the rest of it. Hey, I found it. I'm going to put it back for the next guy. It's like geocaching, and I'm nice. Maybe. I don't know. I never geocache. Not sure how that works. Is that it? Of course not. You gotta love the lawnmower people, or the people that just drop the dirt. Oh well, it's gonna stay. I got most of it. Alright. Yeah. Alright, one beer can in the books. Off we go. Sorry me, I gotta keep this going or I have to take my gloves off every time to turn it back on. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just let the Lord guide me. Guide me, Lord, to the gold ring. To the diamond ring. The gold diamond ring. Oh, you know what? I'm stupid. Gotta turn the audio on. Alright, so it's right in there. Alright, wish me luck. I'm really gonna have to fix this belt, man. This shit is just coming down. As far as my fine pouch. Uh-oh. Yep. Next thing on the wish list is some good knee pads for days like this so my knees don't get wet. And I need a new fine pouch belt. It was hard enough finding one to fit my big but anyway, then when I put on flannels, vests and stuff like that, it just don't fit. But I about had to break it just to get it to expand big enough for me to wear when I first started, and maybe I have lost a couple of pounds. And now it's really hard to get it to go smaller. Okay. All right. Come on, Accupoint. Don't let me down. No. Ooh-wee-hoo. Just making sure. Damn, really? It's just right there? Ah! I gotta get better at that. Was that it? Just some... whatever this is? I guess so. Just some trash, some sort of foil, can slaw, something like that. Alright, just gonna make sure the legend says there's nothing else, and then on to the next. Alright, back in you go. Never here. Bam. Never here. Steppy, steppy. Alright, on to the next. Alright. On. Lead me to the good stuff, Lord. To the land of the free. And the home of the diamond platinum rings. Yeah. Maybe I shouldn't sing, huh? I don't have Juice's voice. Sorry. God, it's a whisper. I don't know if I want to dig that deep. Do I want to dig that deep? I mean, it's like all the bars deep. When it shows it. Wow. Alright, let's keep going. I don't want to spend that much time down. Whew. If I had some, well, it'd be gone by the time I got back anyway. Just kind of walk in the middle. Well, not really the middle, but kind of the middle. It's just chirpy, chirp, chirp. See if ground balanced again, see if that helps. It's a really overcast day. I hope my videos aren't just totally grayed out, washed out. Spend all day trying to color grade it to something that looks normal. It's with all the 20s or low 20s. Okay. Only got a couple of hours. I don't know. Whew. See, it's always the 20s. I swear I'm about to lose my belt. It's just about to fall off, man. I'm really gonna have to do something. Alright. Hey! Oh, see? There's a rock right there. Or, dude, there's something right there. I can't get the shovel past it. Maybe it will. It's all gonna break, guys. There's nothing I can do. I'll try. Sorry, that's the best I can do with hair in my mouth. Alright, Accupoint. Force, don't fail me now. Just making sure. Up, down, up, down. There's that big old rock. Damn, just barely missed it again. Ah! I got it. Alright, we got it out. Relax, relax. Worst metal detector on the planet, on the job. Hey, what's that? Give it to me. Some trash, looks like some can slow. Ah! Yes. Just some can slaw. Alright, what we got here? Alright, let's see if the pinpointer can find it. It should be. Dude, that wind. Ah! What's that? Yeah, I can feel something metal in there. Or just something in there. What the? Okay. That's just, welcome to Alabama where everything is big. I can't just find bottle caps or pull tabs. Big ass chunks of crushed metal. Oh. That doesn't count. Have your dirt back. All right. On to the next. Am I gonna miss it again, Lord? What do we got going on, boys and girls? So it seems like I got it out. Use the force, Luke. More than one thing in here? Or is it just big? What is that? Is that a bullet? Is that like a rifle casing? I don't really know much about bullets. Huh. Looks like a rifle bullet of some sort. Alright, on to the next. I know, I'm gonna dig this just to see what it is. Really? All that for some can slaw. Alright. Alright, guys. We got something right here. Oh, that wind. I'm just gonna hurry and dig it. Whew. Well, what is that? Some sort of, it's falling apart. It's just some, I'm not even sure. Come on, give me some high bangers. There we go. Alright. 41, 42, like a dime or something. Maybe it'll detect it. Ooh, damn. $41, $42. Gonna see. I don't know, when it rains it don't. Wait. Maybe we can just use the knife. Wish me luck. Oh. Where'd it go? Haha. Not much sun. It looks to be about the size of a dime. Yeah. Wait, what does it say? Anyway, on to the next. Alright guys, there might be a little bit of a coin spill here maybe, or either a coin with some trash, some can slaw. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh god, it's like every time I just dig straight down into freaking something. Is that my target? Hang on. Okay. Whoa. Whew. Probably could have used that vest today. Shoot. Ooh, ducky. Oh, where is it? Oh, huh. Okay, told you I'm the worst metal detector in the world. You know, you gotta do stuff like turn it on. Yeah. Okay. Wait now. Okay. What we got? Can't tell if it's part of a can or maybe part of a light bulb or oh. All right. On to the next. Never here. All right, guys, we got two close by. we got so we're gonna start off over here. It says it's pretty deep. Yeah. So all right, let's get it out. I think that's big enough. It's too much. Is that like a cigarette butt? Ah. Did I just miss it again? Ugh. Ugh. Freaking knees. Alright, so it's just right in here. Everybody relax. The worst metal detector in the world is on the case. Oh, yep. Looky, looky. A quarter. I can't even see what that says. Can y'all see the... It's an eagle backer. I can't quite see the ear. Ah. I'm blind. Y'all can probably see it. Y'all holler and tell me what it is. Moving on. Cause it's cold as shit. I'm just dropping these in my good pouch. I'm just hoping it's going in the right pouch. Yeah. Now let's see what this other one was right over here. Okay, it was like, yeah, it was like right over here. Well, it found it pretty quick. Can we? All right. Wet knees, wet knees. I don't know if I can. There's something. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man. Why is it so hard? Ugh. Oh yeah, I see it. You see it? Or whatever it is. Big ass can slaw ball. Yep. Just trying to get some of this excess off so it don't weigh my bag down. Alright, anything else? Doesn't sound like it. Alright. Never here. On to the next. Alright guys, just barely turned around. Come on. Uh-oh. Oh. Looky, looky. Can y'all see that? Maybe I can help it out. Wow, it's like the whole can. They just don't care around here, boy. They'll run over anything. I think Alabama, oh, woodsy and stuff, would take a little bit better care of shit, but guess not. That's that big honker of a rock I was hitting. Alright, there's another one below it too. Alright. On to the next.
Alright guys, I had to take a quick break. Almost made it to the trees. Just found a quarter and a whole can, pretty much. Man, the wind. It's not as cold maybe as it is in Colorado out there. It's just dry cold out here. I had to stop and take my gloves off, I guess because the ground is wet. My fingertips were just frozen from being in the gloves, so I had to take them out. I could really use a selfie stick. Come on, Action 4 and selfie stick thingy. Yeah, got one hand in my pocket and the other one holding the cam. But even it's warmer than wearing the gloves, just because the tips are wet. Sorry, this way. I gotta change. Sorry if my hand gets in the way. Try and keep it out of the shot. But I haven't really found much today. A quarter or a few coins, a battery thing or something, a whole can, just a few coins, one or two. I haven't really been out here long, but it's just this wind. Ooh, my fingertips. Ugh, they're freezing. So I'm just warming them up. I'm gonna try and make it down there to these trees. Yeah. Over that way a little bit further. Then pack it up. If I find anything new, I'll let y'all know. On to the next. Uh-oh.
Okay, we. Damn it. Just some trash. Alright. Get your butt back in there. On to the next. Shit, it's cold. I got my knife. Alright. Dude, backwards? Can we just... Whew. Some iron or something right there. Oh, shit. Keep having to move my fingers. It's making the Legend wobble a little bit. Sorry. Oh. Yeah, I'm walking fast. Oh, there went my hood. Damn it. Oh, jeez. My hood back. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Can we tough it out? I don't know. Ah. Sorry, my technique's probably going downhill quick. Oh, what little I had to begin with. What was that? I think I have those turned down way too quiet. Jesus, holy shit, it went my hat. Oh, okay. Oh, my fingertips are already back cold. All right, we can make it to the tree. See if the pinpointer can find it. Yeah. Oh, come on now. I just destroyed it. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, it's too cold. It's just some canned slaw. Just nothing. Oh. Jeez. Yeah. Whew. Okay, let's just get around this tree and then, whew, we are going home, brothers and sisters. All right, guys, this is probably gonna be the last one of the day. My fingertips are just freezing. All right, it says it's not deep. Come on. Let's just see what it is. Yeah. Oh, it's freezing. Don't crush my Accupoint with my knee. Wait, what's that? What is that? Is that like NGD or something? I can't. Some kind of bottle cap. All right. Never here. All right. All right, guys. It's about as cold as I can take it. Like, it's just these gloves in the wet. I don't know, man. My fingertips are just about numb. Should have brought my vest. Just not sure how I would get this belt around it. I had to about break it just to get it to fit when I was a little bit bigger. I think I have lost a little millimeter of an inch, you know, eighth of an inch, something. Anyway, after all the Christmas food and all that, probably put it back on. But anyway, it's cold. Found a few coins, bottle cap, some crazy battery looking thing. Could have went to an RC car or any kind of thing like that. It was blowing my hood off when I was walking back this way. Lose the phone. Oh, it knocked my Nokta over. It knocked the Legend over. Win 1, Nokta 0. But there really isn't much to show in any kind of after finds. If I'll look at the coins, if they have any kind of crazy dates, I'll put it at the end. But if not, be sure and hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up. You know, I'm a newbie. I suck balls. I'm the worst metal detector in the world. I've just been doing this for a few months to lose weight. And then the Christmas food didn't help at all. But it's the new year, new resolution. Keep it up, lose weight, get out here, exercise, and hopefully find some good stuff. You don't have to hit that bell if you don't want to, but a thumbs up is much appreciated. I know I suck. Be gentle with the comments. It's cold as shit. Love you guys. See you next time.